Hi class. First I wanted to say congratulations on that first exam. Our class average was 85%, which is really high for 121. So I just wanted you to know that I'm very proud of the work you're doing here. Other thing to tell you is that we need to do discussion posts still. So some of you, great job, you kept on keeping on with the discussion posts, but some of you kind of dropped off. So remember, you just post a problem or a question, and you can use the discussion post to look up the answer to other questions that you might have, because someone else might have already done that problem. So check that out, please, and be sure to post every week. And the last thing I wanted to remind you of is that Min has her SI sessions. So if you need some extra help or do you want to brush up on some topics, that's a great place to go to get that done. Okay? If you need anything, please let me know, and I hope you have a great week.